Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係廉習小 Joseph Lin right here to teach you some Practical Hakka, and all month long, we're teaching you the phrase, the Q&A session, where you need to take some time off, and then the person that gives you that time off will ask, what's wrong, what's the matter, all right? 我要請假。
我愛請假。
我愛請假 That means I need some time off, I need a day off. And what's wrong?
唔用嘅係麼？
唔用嘅係麼？你怎麼了？哦，好，其實你怎麼了？我們說 what's wrong 用英文就是說，哎，發生什麼事情？其實也可以說 what's the matter，就是說到底什麼事情呢？那樣子 ，all right。Okay, so maybe 這當然呢，不管是有時候我們會教，因為可能是不舒服生病也不好啦。但是有一種不好就是出了車禍，或者說不小心在路上呢，就是一些小事故或怎麼樣，你就沒辦法，本來已經快遲到了，然後現在真的要遲到了，
因為拖太久了。
對，沒錯。So maybe you got into a fender bender, an accident. Maybe you hit, a motorbike. Hopefully it's not too serious. You just need to take a few hours off. 所以我們來教我撞到人了，怎麼說？
我衝動人呢？
好衝動哦，真的開車不要太衝動。
不是，我撞到人了。
哦，是撞到人。
我衝動人呢
It sounds like impulsive, but no, it means I actually hit someone. 再講一次，我撞到人了。
我衝動人呢？
我衝動人誒，衝動 That means I hit someone. 那也有可能是我被撞了。
我被車子撞到。
Okay, maybe it's the reverse, all right? I got hit by another vehicle or a motorcyclist. Now, how do you say that?
我本踩誒，衝到誒。
哦，我本踩衝到誒。
就是我被車子
哦，
撞到。
被車撞踩。Okay, that's a vehicle. And 衝到 we just taught you means to hit, right? So I got hit by a car. 順便就教車禍怎麼說好了啦。It's an accident, right? Let's teach you how to say that.
插否？
插否？
這是海陸腔。
哦，那倒過來呢？
其實呢，倒過來四線腔應該叫插否。
插否 Okay, 插否 is the regular dialect that we teach, but 插否 that's 海陸 That's a different dialect of saying an accident. Hopefully the delay is just because your vehicle broke down, okay? 只是車壞了。那我車壞了怎麼說呢？
我嘅踩壞鐵咧。
我嘅踩壞鐵咧。
壞鐵壞掉。
壞掉了嘛？壞鐵咧。Okay, hopefully you won't get into this situation, but if you do, now you know how to answer it in Hakka. But we're all asking to take some time off, and what's the matter or what's wrong? 我要請假。
我愛請假。
我愛請假 and what's wrong? 你怎麼了？
唔用嘅係麼？
唔用嘅係麼？ There you go, another great edition of our Practical Hakka here in ICRT.
是母太家。
俺自細張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.